This video is to introduce our OLM system, Optical Line Monitoring System. Now we are looking at our management system. Let's go through this one by one. The logical topology here: city, area, bond district. It's about the basic information of this optical line. Then it is the GIS topology. This is the optical line in operation. Later we can see this in test in name fiber. Later we can see this. And before that, let's look at the GUI interface. And this is our chassis system here. Different service cards: OCMS, OPD, OTDR. Below is some basic information about each service card. Here, if I do a click, it's about another one then. Here you can also do some basic configurations, like if I click here. Then this is an alarm. Later you can see here, alarm. Something is wrong. This is the time. This is the reason, the location. Basically, this is about the GUI interface, the IP, auto flash information. Just now we clicked here, and there's an alarm. Also, this will be recorded in the system log here. The alarm list, something is wrong. Can fix this, then the matching record. Test the fiber. Here, test fiber 1. Then this is the graphs about the optical line status. Let's say if there is a break, you can see here, here, and here. Then in the meantime, there will be an email and a phone message to the administrators, so it will be notified immediately. So basically, this is about the commonly used features in our OLM system. In the meantime, we also have a PowerPoint file to introduce our system here. As you see, the guidance, like the user menu. This is some basic information about the optical line monitoring, the traditional way, the modern way, etc. How this works, like the optical line problems, blend, connector, break, etc. Then you can see some information about our chassis, the design, the service cards, and their features. Of course, as you can see, this is the main parameters. Of course, we can do some customized production based on the actual optical line requirements. Here, the GIS topology, that's here, the map. Then it's the graphs, name test here. The alarm management, alarm list, system management here. This is like a node, an optical node in this whole system. report. some characteristics. Of course, we also have some information about the solutions. Here it's about different solutions like offline monitoring, online monitoring, with or without backup fiber. So the schemes, that's about different solutions, solution 1, solution 2, etc. So basically this is about our OLM system.